Sabadi. Hi everyone. Welcome to Gigi Last Kitchen. Well, tonight I'm gonna show you how to make something easy again. It's like a noodle. You know, it's a movie night, so you wanna fix something very fast and easy, okay? So I just like, I wanna eat pho, but take too long. I call this is Phô Express, right? So what you have is you're gonna have a meatball right here in the supermarket, like Asian supermarket. They always have a meatball ready. And then I have a beef right here, and then I have a clear noodle. I mean like มีน้ำใส phở น้ำใส นะ like phở, okay? And then you just have a bean sprout, cilantro, and celery, onion, and then you got all the prepare for eat on the side with that, okay? And then I go ahead boil my hot water, okay? And it's just so fast and easy to fix. And what you do, you go ahead open up the seasoning that they have in the packet and put in there, okay? And they also have the pepper there. If you don't want to, you don't have to put the pepper, okay? Just check what they have for you, okay? Put the seasoning there. And then also they come with the oil. Also, smells so good. They come with the oil. Put it in, get more flavor. And after you put like, you know, in the boiling water like this, and you wanna go ahead put this is beef meatball. You know, sometimes you go ahead put in grab one bag and put in the freezer. Whenever you're ready to eat, just like, you know, fast to fix, you know. Okay. Put it in there, and I'm gonna let it boil about like 5 minutes, okay? Okay, after 5 minutes, you see how the meatball is get big and it's cooked. They flow to on top of water, so it's ready, okay? And then you're gonna go ahead put the noodle in. So you're gonna turn it like that, and I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna go ahead turn off my heat because it's the stove is still continue hot, okay? Okay, see the noodles start to be soft a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead put my beef in right away. Okay, you see the beef still pink, and that's good enough, okay? Because the water is still hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and move my noodle to my big bowl right here. Ooh, that is like for 3 people. Oops, sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the vegetable in. Celery. And this is celery, cilantro, and onion, okay? I mean, you know, slice how you want, okay? I like mine like kind of choppy looking, big piece. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my bean sprout in. Oh wow, look at it, big bowl I have. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the garlic. I have a recipe for you guys, my garlic, okay? And chili pepper. Put my chili pepper in. I like it hot a little bit, okay? And then go ahead and put some sugar. And then, you know, the bowl is kind of big, so I'm gonna put 2 slices of lamb. Ooh, look at that. Oh, you know what, guys? I'm gonna put one more important thing here. Oh, cannot leave without that when you eat pho, right? Everybody have to have it. Mmm. There you go. Now you complete Phô Express. Come on, eat pho. No, for Lao pho, you have to have all this kind of vegetable. Like long bean, onion, little kapi. This is shrimp paste. So good. Ah, so good. You know, when you eat at home, it tastes better than restaurant because you have more stuff and you can talk around your mouth full too. Sát lại. Ngon. Thơm ngon, bênนี้sẽเอาเผ็ดๆใส่เป็นคำนี้ครับ Bye. See you next video, okay? ลาก่อน Bye bye.